In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Gmail. Now, this might sound a little different from your usual Gmail tasks, but trust me, integrating notes into your Gmail experience can be a game changer. It helps you streamline your email management and keeps your thoughts organized right alongside your conversations. To kick things off, start by heading over to your favorite web browser and searching for how to add notes in Gmail using Google Search. This will take you to the respective page where you'll find various tools and add-ons specifically designed for this purpose. By accessing Google Search, you can discover a variety of options that will help you enhance Gmail's functionality by adding note-taking capabilities. Once you have the search results in front of you, look for solutions that specifically mention integrating notes into Gmail. These could be extensions or third-party apps that sync seamlessly with your emails. It's important to review each option carefully, focusing on the user reviews and compatibility with your browser and Gmail version. Many of these extensions are simple to install. You'll usually just need to click Add to Chrome or whichever browser you prefer, and remember that ensuring your browser is updated can also help avoid any installation hiccups. After installing your chosen tool, it's time to go back to your Gmail. Open your email, and you'll likely notice a new icon or widget that represents your newly installed note-taking ability. It might be alongside your usual Gmail options or within a sidebar that opens up with your emails. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. A quick refresh or restart might do the trick. Click on this new feature to start adding your notes. These tools often allow you to create standalone notes or attach notes directly to specific emails. This feature is particularly useful when you need to jot down reminders, summarize email threads, or keep track of to-dos associated with a conversation. It's like having a digital sticky note that's always present whenever you open that particular email, offering you further context and helping prioritize your responses or follow-ups. Finally, spend some time familiarizing yourself with any additional functionalities offered by the tool, such as categorizing your notes, setting deadlines, or even integrating them with other note-taking apps you might already use. Exploring these extra features can maximize your productivity and ensure you get the most from this integration. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've completely upgraded your Gmail experience, allowing you to manage your tasks and remember key points without ever leaving your inbox. It's a small change that can make a massive impact on your email workflow. Enjoy the convenience of having your notes right where you need them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below.